Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss some of the memory-based ASRB NET Prelims and STO 2020-21 plant pathology question with some discussion. Let us start with the first question. The first question is on inclusion bodies in a cell where viral replication and assembly takes place in. The correct answer is viroplasm. As we know that the virus replication and assembly are often confined within a very specific intercellular compartment which is called virus factories. Then viroplasm or viral inclusions. And these are thought to provide a physical platform to concentrate new genomes and the proteins that involved in replications as well as assembly, and this is likely to increase the efficiency of virus production. Our next question is on the largest number of bacteria causing plant diseases belongs to. There are four options: graciliquids, firmicutes, teneriquids, and last option is molecules. And the correct answer is graciliquids. As we know that firmicutes, these are the gram-positive bacteria, which is the largest phylum of the bacteria. And due to the dominance of a very certain genera, this phylum results in somewhat less diversity than the graciliquids. And we have to remember that graciliquids are always gram-negative bacteria, followed by teneriquids, which are with no cell wall and having only cell membrane. They are also called molecules. And that mandesiquids are primitive phylogenetic archaebacteria. Let us see the next question, that is on organizations that gives the classification of viruses. This is a very simple question. The correct answer is ICTV, means International Committee on Taxonomy of Virus, which is responsible for classifying and naming viruses. This ICTV established during 1966 under the International Union of Microbiological Societies, that is IUMS. The main objective of ICTV is that they create an internationally accepted virus taxonomy systems, then develop classification rules and guidelines, as well as maintain a comprehensive virus taxonomy database. By providing a standardized naming system, ICTV facilitates effective communications among researchers, medical professionals, and public authorities about viruses and their characteristics. Comprising study groups, then subcommittees and experts, virologists worldwide, the ICTV evaluates taxonomy proposals, updates the virus classification system, and publishes official taxonomy reports based on genome structures, replication mode, morphology, and host range. Each virus is assigned to taxonomic labels, including orders, families, genera, as well as species. The ICTV's work is essential in advancing virology research and public health strategies for virus control as well as management. The next question is on a set of scientific principles of plant disease management were initially given by. The correct answer is H. Whitjell. means Howard Hayes Whitgell. He was an American plant pathologist as well as mycologist. Whitgell born during 1877 and expired in 1944. H.S. Whitgell founded the first plant pathology department at an American university and established the Cornell Plant Pathology Herbarium, popularly known as CUP. CUP. Whitgell's early passion for natures and collecting led him to study under mycologists like George F. Atkinson at Cornell University, where Whitgell later became a professor. Despite not officially receiving his PhD due to university rule, he was honored with DSc degree from the other institutions. H.S. Whitgell's research focused on Sclerotium producing cup fungi, and he authored over 300 publications. H.S. Whitgell's documented fungi in Puerto Rico as well as Bermuda, and his collection are sorted at Cap. And Whitgell passed away at the age of 67 in Ithaca, that is in Newark, where he had resided over 30 years. Another important question I'm going to discuss here is DAPI, that is DAPI, based staining of phytoplasmal infected phloem tissues is done for. There are four options. Number one is phloem cells are transparent, phloem cells lack chlorophyll, and phloem sieve tube lack nuclei. And the correct answer is C, that is phloem sieve tubes lack nuclei. Before answering this question, we should understand what is the meaning of DAPI. DAPI means 4'6 diamidino 2-phenylaldiol. Okay, this is an important staining material which is generally used to study the phytomonads, including Phytomonas species, which are a group of flagellated protozoan parasite that infect plant. Phytomonas species are known to infect the phloem tissues of various plant hosts. The main purpose of using such type of staining, that is DAPI staining, in the context of Phytomonas infected phloem tissues is to visualize and study the DNA content within the cell of the parasites and the host tissues. DAPI is an fluorescent dye that binds to DNA specifically in active-rich region, causing it to emit blue fluorescence when exposed to UVs, that is ultraviolet light. And by staining the cells with DAPI, researchers can visualize the locations and organizations of DNA within both the infected phytomonads cell as well as the surrounding phloem cells of the plant. Let us see this question. Agar-agar, which is a common solidifying agent, it chemically contains. The options are agarose and agaropectin, followed by cellulose and lignin, followed by amylose and amylopectin, and the correct answer is agarose and agaropectin. And beside that, the options like amylose and amylopectin are present in stars, whereas cellulose and lignin are present in plant cell wall. So here the correct answer is A, that is agarose and agaropectin. The next question is on type of disease progress curve observed in polycyclic diseases is. It is a very simple question and the answer is sigmoid curve. On the other hand, The type of disease progress curve observed in monocyclic disease is saturation type curve. The solar heat treatment is used for the control of, the correct answer is, loose smart of wheat. And this type of management practice was given by Luther and Sartre. So here we have to soak the seed in water for 4 hours. Say we can take the example of 8 a.m. to 12 noon and expose the seed to a hot sun at least for 4 to 5 hours, say from 12 noon to 5 p.m., especially on cement or rocky surface. This can be practiced in the areas where the summer temperature are high, that is 42 to 44 degree centigrade. Next question is on abiotic disorder oedema in plants is due to, the correct answer is, more water take up by the plant root system. Means when plant root will take more water, then this type of abiotic disorder, that is oedema in plant, generally occurs. Next question is fungicide group that show translaminar action is, the correct answer is strobilurins. So my friend, with this I would like to conclude this part, and I would like to thank you for watching this video. Thank you.